traders. Gary Wagner here. Approximately 1 o'clock in Honolulu, 6 o'clock in New York on Tuesday, 23rd day of November 2021. And this is the Daily Report for gold and silver. Tomorrow's PCE inflationary index numbers will be critical in the factors that the Federal Reserve uses to determine their next steps and timelines of tapering and liftoff. That will be the primary discussion of today's report. Gold continues to experience a price decline, with December futures today giving up $16.20, currently fixed at $1,790.10. Silver futures, basis the most active December contract, absolutely got hammered today, giving up 2.5%, decline of 62 cents, with the December contract currently fixed at $23.67.5. The release tomorrow of the October PCE inflationary index is a key and critical component that will absolutely shape future actions and timelines of the Federal Reserve. If that index shows that, as the CPI did a few weeks ago, that the rate of inflation continues to rise, we would see a Federal Reserve that is more backed against the wall, because by accelerating the timeline to conclude the tapering process and to have liftoff or raising of primary interest rates earlier than anticipated, but more importantly, before a full economic recovery is in place, will present a whole new set of challenges. Forecasts for tomorrow's PCE numbers for October are coming in, indicating a rise in inflationary pressures, with the former rate at 4.4% in terms of inflation moving to 5.3%, which brings us to the double-edged sword of higher inflationary pressures. And that is, while higher inflationary pressures will typically move gold prices higher, if we see a higher PCE tomorrow coming in at 5.3%, it will firm the conviction of Federal Reserve members to move the tapering timeline and accelerate it so that they can begin to raise interest rates earlier than previously expected. That could put more pressure on gold pricing, and in that case, we would look for major support to come in two different places, and that is this bottom or the beginning of the last rally, and of course, below that, we have 1720, with major support occurring at $1,680. That is the double bottom in March and the bottom of the flash crash that occurred in August of this year. In other words, we could see gold continue to break to lower pricing, and at some point, that is going to present an exceptional opportunity. That is why tomorrow's inflationary index report for October is so critically important, because it will help us determine when we could see gold find a bottom and begin to reverse the bearish trend that it's currently in. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.